Hey everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. So in this video, as you know, I'm gonna draw Ryomen Sukuna. So let's start by drawing these two lines for the eyes so that they will stay equal to each other. And just draw the upper line of the eye by joining these two parallel lines together. And then simply draw the waterline of the eye on the lower line. So guys, it's a tutorial and it's gonna be easy, so I suggest you to watch till the end and draw with me. And here's my little request to like the video and also subscribe to my channel if you are new, or if you have been watching my videos and didn't subscribe my channel, so subscribe now. After drawing the eye, I'm drawing the eyelid and the eyebrow now. Let's draw the right eye now, and of course it's gonna be difficult. I really had a hard time drawing both of the eyes same. I wanna tell you guys something. Look, if you watch my video till the end, like this video and subscribe to my channel, it's gonna cost you nothing. Seriously, nothing. So look, 9 minutes is nothing. I know you're gonna spend your, I guess, 3 to 4 hours of course on mobile watching reels. So if you give just 9 minutes to this video, like it, subscribe to my channel and comment down, these 10 minutes are really nothing in front of 3 or 4 hours. So watch the video till the end and subscribe. So right now I'm drawing the nose. And that tattoo thing on this nose, and then I will be drawing the tattoo thing on the forehead too. Oh, I actually forget to draw the nostrils. So now, after drawing the nostrils, I'm gonna draw the mouth just below it with some distance, and that's how you are gonna draw the mouth. First a small straight lines and then curve its corner. And then you need to draw an identical line just below it with some distance. Time to draw the teeth, and for it just draw a straight line in the middle and then draw the teeth. And our great Ryomen Sukuna, king of curses, evil smile will be ready. And now before drawing the chin, let's draw this tattoo thing on the chin, and then I will proceed further. After drawing these tattoos on the chin and the jaws, let's draw the chin and the jaws too. And now I'm drawing the hair on the forehead. But after drawing the one side of the hair, let's draw the left ear too. One end of the ear is starting from the eye and the other end is gonna be end at the mouth. And now let's just draw the rest of hair. Draw the right ear too. And draw this line to keep both of the ears equal to each other. If you guys watch Jujutsu Kaisen, you may know that this picture doesn't have hair in the frame and nor the neck and the shoulders, but I still drew them for you guys, thanks to me. So our basic sketch is done, and now I'm gonna do the outline with 6B pencil, and of course it's the dark pencil. After quickly finishing the outline, let's do some shading. Okay, now after the outline and dark shading, I am using the 4B pencil for the rest of shading. After using the 4B, I am using a 2H pencil, and of course it's a light pencil. And now I'm using a B pencil, and it's darker obviously, and I think you can use HB2 instead of it. So the shading, which is my best part, is done, and let's just do your signature, no need of blending. Let's go to the final look. Here's the final look. I hope you like this sketch, and bye! Watch this tutorial if you want to draw Goju or Sukuna.